we are in Baskets Galore looking at our new home gifts.
Our housewarming massive market.
Yeah.
And again, very, very poorly catered for when it comes to searching for a gift for that. It tends to be the cliche. So what have we got here then, Pop?
We have a few wee sentiments here. So we've got a home sweet home candle.
So if you're going around, as we say, this is how to make them, how to sort of thoughts that's going through your mind, what to put into them, because you've arrived at this video because you're looking for what's a great gift to send to somebody for their new home as a housewarming gift. Maybe you're a business that's like, okay, well, we want to find something that we can group together in and send. Well, in such circumstances, you are looking for, the first thing that we're going to look at is the message theme.
The message.
We've in our case, we've gone for candle.
We also have this
what's this?
Yeah, I have one of those as well. It's a little
Great
message. Adventures
await. It's just sort of a wee bit different. It takes away I think that's what makes the gift baskets, and whenever you're going around town, I think it really lends itself really well for, it's not just a hamper of food or whatever.
Yeah, there's something for the house as well, which is what you're celebrating, I guess.
Yeah.
And here we've got diffuser here as well. It says Happy New Home. So something that encapsulates your message. You can, if you're struggling to find something that says, you know, new home, congratulations, we'll do as well. We're just lucky that we have things that say, new home, which is one of the perks we have as, you know, being the professionals. So that's where we would start. And if you're packing it, obviously yourself, have them, you know, best wishes, new home at the front. That means when they open it, the message is very clear.
It's not just a hamper.
Yeah.
You're going, okay, why does somebody send me a hamper? And then they have to read the message. Oh, it's congratulations on moving into your new home. You know, this sort of screams it right from the off, and it makes it much more visually attractive. And I think that's a very important aspect in terms of the communication between two people, that there's more thought than just a generic type of food hamper or flowers or something like that. That's a nice touch, but this is a nicer touch.
Yeah, more to it.
Yeah.
What else have we got then? We've got, you know, our coffees and our teas.
Yeah, it's again, we sort of like larder type of staple types of things for the house whenever you move in. I remember moving into my first house, and there's not a thing. You've got to build up everything in the larder.
Everything's empty.
Yeah, everything's completely empty, and you're still cleaning all of the shelves down and whatever. So teas, coffees, biscuits, chocolates, and we're talking about, you know, substantial packets here. We're not talking about wee small ones, because it's your home. That's the whole point. You've got your home. You're not
home
moving,
comforts.
you know.
Yeah.
Now these are a couple of the storylines that we have here. So this one here is called the new home hamper, and so what we've really gone with here is, as I said, right, these are lots of food, chocolatey types of things that you would find with a hamper, but we've new homed it. We've brought a twist onto it, which is very much home sweet home, ornamental, smell, which says Happy New Home. Your one here is
mine's like New Home Welcome, so maybe more corporate, like if you're sending it to someone who, like a group maybe getting together to send it, or even you can have it in the house ready for the people to come in and it can be there.
Welcome to your new home. Again, it's a congratulatory element.
That's too perishable, nothing that needs like an acquired taste. It is maybe comforting. It's things that you can, while you're working around, you know, if we're painting a room, you can go and have a nibble. There's, oh, we haven't got any food in and I want a snack, you know, you can come to this, and it kind of serves a lot of purposes, but you've also, you know, given something that recognizes the house.
You've retained the sweet home, you've retained the new home vibe of the gift, and you've de-emphasized the chocolatey aspect, the sweet element of stuff. You've obviously got the cake because it's a fresh cake and it has the best wishes message onto it, but you're just sort of reducing the amount of larder type of products a little bit there. Less food, more sentimental,
Yeah.
ornamental, sensory, and then as you wish to increase the budget, add food
these.
elements to that.
Yeah.
Don't go deeper and deeper into the ornamental type of stuff.
I think these kind of
enough is
like
enough.
2 or 3 products is enough. You wouldn't want much more. So if
don't
you're
fill it with too much.
So if you're building it up, build it up the way we've done with more food products, more expensive and luxury food products and those staples that they may need in those first couple of days.
There isn't a market for too innovative and too different. So you're not going to get a better reward from filling it with everything to do with new home or whatever. Just keep that at the forefront of 2 or 3, 4 things at most, and then continue it on with things that would be for the house, larder type of chocolates and biscuits, and for the people rather than for the home. So that's how we put together the story, the narrative of new home and housewarming gifts. You can take a look at how you would put together new home gifts. It is a very, very large and significant gift sending occasion in the UK, and we think it is worthy of its own storyboard, its own range of concepts and ideas, and you will have your ideas as
to put your own
well
personal
ours.
stamp onto it.
This is what we find popular, and this is what we find people like to send. So let's start the conversation.
Yeah.
Okay.